The Andaman cobra, Naja sagittifera, is a lesser-known species of cobra native to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Indian Ocean. As a member of the Elapidae family, it shares many characteristics with other cobras but has unique features and adaptations that distinguish it. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproductive strategies, and conservation status of the Andaman cobra. Physical characteristics. The Andaman cobra is a medium-sized snake, typically reaching lengths of 4 to 5 feet, though some individuals can grow larger. It has a slender, elongated body with smooth scales that provide a glossy appearance. The coloration of the Andaman cobra can vary but generally includes shades of black, brown, or gray, often with lighter ventral scales. Like other cobras, it has the distinctive ability to spread its neck ribs to form a hood when threatened. This hood often displays striking patterns or markings that serve to intimidate potential predators. The head is broad and slightly distinct from the neck, with large eyes and round pupils that provide excellent vision. Habitat and distribution. The Andaman cobra is endemic to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, an archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. These islands provide a variety of habitats, including tropical rainforests, mangroves, coastal regions, and human-inhabited areas. The Andaman cobra is highly adaptable and can be found in both dense forested areas and near agricultural lands. It prefers environments with ample cover such as dense vegetation, fallen logs, and rock crevices. The presence of water bodies such as streams and ponds is also important for this species, as they often need access to water. Behavior and adaptations. Andaman cobras are primarily diurnal but can exhibit nocturnal behavior, especially in regions with significant human activity. They are solitary and territorial snakes, coming together only during the breeding season. When threatened, the Andaman cobra exhibits typical defensive behaviors, such as raising the front part of its body, spreading its hood, and hissing loudly. This intimidating display, coupled with the potential to deliver a potent neurotoxic bite, serves as an effective deterrent to predators. Although they are not generally aggressive, Andaman cobras will defend themselves if provoked. They rely on their keen sense of smell and vision to detect prey and avoid danger. Diet and hunting strategies. The diet of the Andaman cobra consists mainly of small mammals, birds, amphibians, and other reptiles. They are opportunistic feeders and use both active hunting and ambush strategies to capture prey. Their neurotoxic venom immobilizes prey quickly, allowing the cobra to swallow it whole. The Andaman cobra's hunting efficiency is aided by its excellent vision and agility, enabling it to track and pursue prey effectively. They may also scavenge when the opportunity arises, eating carrion left by other predators. Reproduction. The Andaman cobra is oviparous, laying eggs rather than giving birth to live young. Mating occurs during the spring and summer months, with females laying clutches of 10 to 20 eggs in concealed, warm, and humid locations such as burrows, under logs, or within leaf litter. Incubate for about 2 to 3 months before hatching. Hatchlings are fully independent from birth and measure around 8 to 12 inches in length. They possess functional venom glands and are capable of delivering a bite immediately after hatching. Young cobras grow rapidly and must quickly learn to hunt and avoid predators. Conservation status. The conservation status of the Andaman cobra is not well documented due to its limited range and the remote nature of its habitat. However, like many island species, it faces potential threats from habitat destruction, human encroachment, and competition with invasive species. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been subject to deforestation and development, which can impact local wildlife populations. Additionally, cobras are often killed out of fear or for their perceived medicinal value. Conservation efforts for the Andaman cobra should focus on habitat preservation, research to better understand its population dynamics, and public education to reduce fear and promote coexistence. Conclusion. The Andaman cobra is a remarkable species with unique adaptations that allow it to thrive in the diverse habitats of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its role as a predator and its distinctive behaviors make it a significant component of its ecosystem. Understanding and protecting the Andaman cobra is essential for maintaining the biodiversity and ecological balance of its natural habitats. Through continued research, conservation initiatives, and public education, we can work towards ensuring the survival of the Andaman cobra for future generations to appreciate and study.